It's your travel agent, David, and today we are downtown Las Vegas visiting the California, affectionately known as the Cal. Now, the Cal opened January of 1975, and the Cal was Boyd Gaming's first downtown property, and it began with a 325-room, 11-story tower. A 14-story west tower was added in 1984, expanding the total to 781 rooms. It was built by both Sam Boyd and his son Bill, and it quickly became known for welcoming guests with an Aloha spirit and a strong Hawaiian ties, offering packages and cuisine popular with Kamahani, or Hawaiian residents. This area right here, it's the connection between Main Street Station and the California. Well, this completes our time here at the Cal. Now, the California Hotel and Casino offers a distinct slice of downtown Vegas charm. It's not flashy, but it is welcoming, value-packed, Hawaiian-infused, and conveniently located. With friendly service and local flair, it's ideal for those that want to have an authentic, laid-back Vegas stay without the Strip price tag. Now, if you have any questions about the cow, please let me know and I'll do my best to get those answers for you. And if you found this information helpful, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It'll really help me out. And until next time, I'll see you next trip.